Imagine a world where banks don't control your money, where you can send cash to anyone, anywhere, in seconds, and where your savings can grow without needing permission from a financial institution. Sounds like a futuristic dream, right? But guess what? It's happening right now. In 2009, an anonymous person, or maybe a group, called Satoshi Nakamoto, created something that changed money forever: Bitcoin. And with it, a new era of digital finance began, one that doesn't rely on banks or middlemen. But wait, what exactly is its cryptocurrency? Is it real money? Can you get rich from it? Or is it all just a scam? Stay with me till the end, because by the time you finish this video, you'll understand everything. What crypto is, how it works, how to buy and store it safely, and even how people have made millions and lost millions in the crypto world. 2. Introduction to cryptocurrency. What is it? Cryptocurrency is a digital currency, money that exists only on the internet. Unlike traditional money, like dollars or euros, crypto isn't printed by any government or controlled by any bank. Instead, it runs on something called blockchain technology, a secure, decentralized system that allows transactions to happen without the need for a middleman. Think of it like this. If you send money using a bank, the bank acts as a middleman. It verifies the transaction and takes a cut. But with cryptocurrency, there's no bank in the middle. The system verifies transactions using a technology called blockchain, and it's all peer-to-peer, just like sending an email. 3. The history of money and evolution to crypto. To understand why cryptocurrency exists, let's take a quick trip through history. Long ago, people traded goods directly, like a farmer trading wheat for a blacksmith's tools, but that was inconvenient. What if the blacksmith didn't need wheat? Then came gold and silver, which had real value and could be exchanged for anything. But carrying heavy gold was a problem. So, governments introduced paper money, backed by gold. Fast forward, and we moved to credit cards and online banking. Money became more digital, but it was still controlled by banks and governments. Then came 2008, the financial crisis. Banks collapsed, people lost their savings, and trust in the traditional financial system shattered. That's when Bitcoin was born, a system where money isn't controlled by any single government or bank. How cryptocurrency works: blockchain, mining, and security. All right, let's dive a little deeper. At the heart of cryptocurrency is blockchain, a digital ledger that records transactions across many computers. This makes it transparent and secure, because no single person or company can alter it. But how does new cryptocurrency get created? Through a process called mining. Mining is when computers solve complex math problems to verify transactions and add them to the blockchain. Miners are rewarded with new crypto coins, kind of like a digital gold rush 5. Major cryptocurrencies beyond Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the king of crypto, but it's not alone. Here are some other big names. Ethereum, ETH. More than just money, Ethereum allows developers to create decentralized apps and smart contracts. Binance Coin, BNB, used for trading fees on Binance, one of the biggest crypto exchanges. Solana, Cardano, and XRP each has different strengths, from speed to security. Some cryptos are designed for payments, while others power entire digital economies. 6. How to buy and store crypto safely. Want to buy crypto? Here's what you need to do. 1. Choose a crypto exchange, like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. 2. Create an account and verify your identity. 3. Deposit money using a bank transfer or credit card. 5. Buy your chosen cryptocurrency. 5. Store it safely in a digital wallet, either online, hot wallet, or offline, cold wallet, for extra security. 7. Use cases. What can you do with crypto? Online shopping, gaming and NFTs, international payments, decentralized finance, DeFi, where you can earn interest without banks. 8. Risks and scams. What to watch out for. Narrator. But be careful. Crypto is full of scams, like pump and dump schemes, fake giveaway, phishing attacks, Never invest money you can't afford to lose. 9. The future of crypto. What's next? Crypto is still young, but it's growing fast. Some experts say it's the future of money, while others think it's just a trend. What do you think? Let me know in comment. If you found this guide useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance and crypto content. The future of money is changing. Are you ready?